27. Chaos versus order. Very often, as we read the past literature, we do so with minds geared to the present. As a result, we view things from a modern perspective, not in terms of the reality of past events. An example of this is in Shakespeare's play Othello, when, as a result of Iago's lies, Othello begins to suspect that his wife Desdemona is guilty of adultery. He cries out concerning his suspicion and sudden revulsion, "Chaos is come again." Modern readers assume this means a personal chaos. However, as Othello's words later indicate, it meant for him that, quote, "an act of unchastity meant a denial of the whole social order," end quote, to quote Henry Barrowford Parkes's analysis of it. There's an important meaning here. For us, adultery is merely a personal betrayal, and its scope is limited to the family. For Shakespeare, brought up with the use of the Bible and compulsory attendance at the Church of England, marriage was viewed in terms of Ephesians 5:21-33 as a union typifying the union of Christ and his church, and as the foundation of human society. Adultery was thus not only treason to the social order, but an act of anarchy. Hence Othello's cry, "Chaos is come again." The basic unity of life under God has been betrayed, and hence Othello's reaction. Was this simply an old-fashioned perspective which Shakespeare echoed, or is it still a true one? Anyone who has counseled persons who are confronted with adultery and the betrayal of a marriage covenant know how similar the reactions of a betrayed person today are to Othello's. To break the basic relationship of human life is to commit an act of chaos and to shatter a God-given order. Each of us, in our marriages, either further godly order by what we do, or we become instruments of anarchy and chaos.